the Institute of Directors successfully hosted yet another landmark edition, the 2025 Annual London Global Convention, powered by Tristar Group, a truly global forum on corporate governance and sustainability. Shaping the future of responsible leadership and discovering how to stay relevant in an unpredictable world while navigating geopolitical shifts, climate crisis and technological disruptions, redefining tomorrow. From the global business meet at the House of Lords, UK Parliament, to the famed Golden Peacock Awards presentation and the honouring of IOD Distinguished Fellows, this convention truly celebrated excellence, innovation and visionary leadership. Relive the moments, the conversations and the ideas that will shape the global boardroom of the future. Brought to you by the Institute of Directors, building tomorrow's boards. Watch this special telecast only on Republic TV.